こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make 蒸しパン with brown sugar and walnuts. Mushi pan is a Japanese steamed cake. This soft, fluffy cake is prepared by steaming instead of baking, which gives it an extra soft, moist, and light texture similar to sponge cake. In Japan, it's commonly available in convenience stores and bakeries and is enjoyed as a snack or lunch item, much like muffins. Mushi pan is made with simple ingredients and an easy technique, so you can easily prepare and enjoy this traditional comforting snack at home. Today, Mumu is making her favorite version of mushi pan with brown sugar and walnuts. Okay, let's get started. First, prepare the steamer. Cover the lid with a tea towel and tie on the top.This prevents condensation from dripping onto the dough during steaming, which is important. Add enough water to the pan, set up the steaming rack, and turn on the heat to preheat the steamer. You can also use a regular steamer or bamboo steamer if you prefer. Roughly chop 40 grams of walnuts. In a bowl, place 80 grams of soft dark brown sugar, add 150 milliliters of warm water, and stir to dissolve the sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix well. Shift 150 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt into the bowl.Then gently mix until just combined. Add 2/3 of the chopped walnuts to the mixture and fold them in. Lay a 6 inches or 15 centimeters cake tin with baking paper.And pour the mixture into the tin. Sprinkle the remaining third of the chopped walnuts on top. Place the cake tin into the boiling steamer. Cover the lid.And steam on medium-high heat for about 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a skewer into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, it's ready. You can also make mushi pan using cupcake molds. The steaming time will vary based on the mold size, but usually around 10 to 15 minutes. De kita! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. These mushi pan are so soft and fluffy, just like Mumu's head. They stay moist even the next day. The brown sugar gives them a deep, natural sweetness, and the walnuts add a perfect little crunch. It's a comforting treat that feels like a warm hug. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。